What's your favorite thing here at Sun Outdoors Frontier? Playground, water parks, what is it? What is it?
Water park.
What's your favorite thing?
Water park.
Water park, 2 water parks. What's your favorite thing here at Frontier Town? Cool.
Probably the water park.
All right. Maxi Journey Tribe, RV community, we are back. The Maxwell Tribe is back. You can join the tribe by hitting that thumbs up and that subscribe button. So it's Sun Outdoors, Frontier Town, near Ocean City, Maryland, close to Assateague. It has a lot of great amenities. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the place, a great review of the place. You just stay tuned and enjoy this ride. Let's go. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's go, boys. Now, everybody knows once you see this sign right here, you have arrived. The famous water park is on the left-hand side. You don't want to miss that part of the video. And on the right-hand side is an amazing ice cream parlor and a massive arcade. Now, you want to prepay because this is the Pony Express lane. On the right-hand side will be all the people that waited to pay or just don't know the process, and that line will be super long. If you prepaid, just take this lane right here, pull up to the person at the booth, get your packet, and head right into your site and right into the fun. If you have any complaints or you want to drop some, good words of encouragement to the general manager, they're right here in this middle office. That's the main staffing area. Now, if you head past this, golf carts are on the left for pickup. Tribe, we're headed to the Hollywood section at Sun Outdoors Frontier Town. This is to the right-hand side, right past check-in. Now, this is your event center for parties and washing your clothes. Your main trash dumping station is right behind this building. Now, this is the big money section. Not too many mature trees unless you stay along the outside edge, a paved site, a patio site, and a picnic table with a fire ring. Now, if you have a huge rig, you're looking for a nice pull through, or you just don't know how to back up, then this is the sites for you guys. Your rig is not bigger or better than this one right here. This won the weekend, and it might be the biggest setup I have seen this year. Now, they have cottages along the outside edge. They're not the famous Keystone ones that Sun Outdoors normally has, but I bet you they're coming. Now, the hidden gem out here, you guessed it, this bathhouse. Hot shower, solo dolo, come in, lock the door, get comfortable, save those waste tanks, don't bother with it. This is the best bathhouse in the park. Now let's head back out to the main strip. So tribe, we haven't even entered the park, so I'm just going to take you right to the brand new amenities. Now you have a ropes course, zip lining, and axe throwing there. It's all brought to you by Go 8. They have collab with Sun Outdoors Resorts. Now I know if you're staying in park, it's $20 per customer, and then it's $25 if you're just coming to visit. Now you get to do it as many times as you want within an hour. So this is the axe throwing station. You check in at the shed right to the right of this for zip lining, rope course, whatever it may be. So this guy you see here, it's a pretty high zip line, but the thing is you get an hour to do it as many times as possible, and she told me the record is 17 times. Could you do it that many times? Tribe, you wanted the full review and all the details. I got you covered. This is Frontier Town's water park. It's open from 10 to 6 daily. It's free if you camp here, and you can buy passes if you're just passing through for the day. It's also free if you stay at their sister campground, Fort Whaley. Now, you have to be 42 inches for the tube slides, 48 inches for the body slides. They're supposed to check for glass and alcohol. Nobody did neither one of those. And this is a Thursday, overcast. School is back in session right before Labor Day. So there's tons of seats, but on Saturday there was not one seat to be available, guys. They have a bar on the right-hand side, a snack bar as well, hot dogs, burgers, cheap snacks, pavilion for shade, a kiddie pool, a splash pool, and in the back here you have some life vests, little places to eat. There's even a little bathroom right here to the right. But if you make your way back to the lazy river, it's a great size. The water's always a great temperature. Zero entrance here up front. You can do a double slide, a single slide. It's awesome, man. This place was packed on Saturday. There wasn't no tubes to be had. That's how you see all the tubes here now. There was none to be had. So this one, my son, we found a friend from back at our hometown. They were here on a Friday just enjoying a party. So we connected with those guys. So Ace is in the water right now. We make our way over to the kiddie pool, which is about 3 feet 4 inches in the very back. Up front, maybe a foot here. So the boys go down the slide. Asher, Arlo, they're loving it. They're loving it, man. It's a great time out here, guys. But the big slides, these three, we call it the Maryland one, the blue one, and the green one. Guys, the green one is the body slide. It's super fast. It will tear your back up. The red one, it's an amazing drop. You have to experience all three. Now, this is a neat little splash pad area right beneath the big slides. Keep your eye on your kids. You don't have to worry about them. There's chairs to sit around and just take in a cool little mist. So check out the water park. Like the boy said, it's the best part about it. Plus, you can rent these cabanas if you want. Let's get back to the tour. Tribe, right here is the newly renovated PA lane, A lane as well. These are big rig comfortable sites, fully padded pull through sites, guys. For all you that can't back up, book in this site right here. Now, this lane is the DD lane. This is where your camping, your tent sites meet your cabin sites as well as your RV sites. DD lane also is your D lane, E lane. You have a lot of cabins here, guys. And then you come to this back passageway where you're going to have beautiful views from the E lane. So if you're booking, I'm trying to give you some insight on what it will look like. The sites are rougher, but the view is gorgeous and unobstructed, guys. In the E lane, looking out over the marsh, absolutely beautiful. Now we head into the bigger money sites. This is the Z lane. This is waterfront peninsula area. As you see here, you have a 2-story gorgeous camper taking in all the views. Now there's water down here. There's a dead end down here. You can go fishing. You have your own pier. You can dock your boat along the edge here. And this is the Z lane. So if you have money and your camper can fit in this section, bring it on. I feel like they're a little tighter, so be careful which ones you book. But as we make our way back here to about Z6 and 4, you see that these sites can fit rigs this big. This might be like Z12 as far as you're down here. But as you loop around, if you're planning on renting a camper, don't do it with Sun Outdoors. Book from Max Your Journey RV Rentals, or you're gonna end up in these old campers. Now let's move on to the pavilion, and I'll show you the fun over there. So this is the pavilion area, guys. If you're staying in the W area, the U lane area, this butts up to the pavilion during the daytime. Very quiet, full of events. My beautiful daughter's getting her hair done here. And as you see, other kids are coming up. They have many events. But at nighttime, the party comes to life here. So do not complain about the noise when booking in the W and U lane. You're asking for it, guys. It's right here and it's a great time. Go out, have a little fun. Guys, I'm only halfway done with maybe one of the best campgrounds on the East Coast. Now they have pontoon boat rentals, jet ski rentals, and so much more. I'm only halfway done. Wait till you see the saloon and the cowboy show, guys. It's gonna blow you away. Let's continue on. Tribe, this is the real life Jaws shark from the movie Jaws. This was a prop used in the movie. If you ever taken a picture with it, let me know down in the comments. You have to see it for yourselves. Now we're headed over to the Cowboy Western Town. This is like a movie set. This is major. This is where a lot of action goes on. They even have snack bars and a restaurant. Let's step inside the saloon here and I'll show you the inside. So again, another place to not be fooled by, guys. That place comes alive at nighttime, karaoke, drinks. And again, this town looks like nobody's here, but on the weekend and during the shows, it's jam-packed, which of course, I'm going to show you that in a little bit. But now we have to go to the Native American show in the very back. This is a must-see, awesome, real-life Native Americans showing us a glimpse of some of their culture. So let's enjoy it.
We're glad to see all you guys right down here with us. Now, how many of you guys have been here before and maybe seen our show? Anyone? There you go. Now, would anyone out here remember Redbird, the real big man who was always down? Everyone, you know Redbird? Hey, 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 hey,
So again, this is Sun Outdoors, Frontier Town, close to Ocean City, Berlin, Maryland. You have Assateague very close by. You have Ocean City, Maryland, the boardwalk, guys. This is a great, fun family campground, guys. Now, it does have some flaws. The price is very expensive. It is a little loud for some, but it's awesome for us and my family. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you absolutely would, enjoy this little clip of our campfire and join us by hitting that subscribe button, hitting that thumbs up, and checking us out on all social media sites at Max Your Journey. Join the tribe, guys. I'll see you next time.